Hey guys, super excited to share with you items to gift and items to wear this season. No matter what your plans are for Valentine's Day, we've got you covered here at The Buckle. So first up is lounge, and I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite new pieces that have just launched, items for you to wear, and I'll show you some items to gift. Okay, and now's the perfect time to share with you what to gift if you are hanging home with your guy this year for Valentine's Day. You guys, we have the fun stance socks hitting the floor right now. How fun are those? Perfect for a lounge night in. Yes, Harry Potter fans, get it. Stay classy, all the things. Also, sweatshirts, hello, they need fun lounge. That looks great and feels great. Got a bunch of new lunches from Wannacomi. You guys, so many colors. Check them out. Guys, they've got the fuzzies just like us, so they can feel nice and cozy. And you guys, our jogger selection right now is insane. We know you're hanging at home, so your need for joggers is big this year. Fun, really great little skinny bottom options. So yeah, all the gifts to give. All right guys, let's talk Galentine's. If you were going out with your girlfriends, having a good time, going out for drinks, dinner, movie, whatever it might be, let's go girls. We've got some super fun graphics paired with a killer jacket. Toss on some of your favorite denim and a statement shoe and you are ready to rock out with your friends. Also, what to gift, also what to get yourself. We've got some really great bags right now, and this guy is one of my favorites. It's a backpack, super handy, and then it's also a crossbody bag, and it's got this super fun little statement strap so you can wear it as an over-the-shoulder bag, you guys. Endless options, and I filled this bag with some other things that maybe you want to get for your Galentine's. Okay, we're gonna talk date night now, and I'm gonna share with you my favorite gifts first. So, cologne launches, you guys, any of our in-house brands, the ones that we make, obsessed. So, just wanna show you a couple of those guys, and these are PKE and Outpost. I love just the clean scent on those bad boys. And some super fun new Sax underwear have launched in the shop. Great for Valentine's Day. You guys, football, yes. How fun are those? Also, tops, always a great gift. Something sharp they can wear out while they're hanging with you. Something to layer, they like to layer. Also, we have all of these gorgeous tops in right now. So if you're going out, these are great ideas of what to gift and what to wear. I'm going to show you a couple of these pieces on just so you can see how fantastic they are. All right guys, and don't forget about your littlest loved ones. We do carry youth, little girls, little boys, all the things in between. So don't forget to gift and get for them as well at The Buckle.